So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Tech Viper. So today in this video we will see how to create this Marquee Text Animation using Figma. But before that I want you guys to please do subscribe and click the bell icon so that you get notified with all the updates. So without wasting time, let's see how to create this. So you can see we are inside a Figma project now. So first of all we will drop a frame by pressing A on our keyboard, and from here we will select MacBook Air. Why? Because I am using MacBook Air. So from here I will just turn its color to black. Perfect. Now I need a text. The text should Marquee. Marquee means it will auto scroll in an infinite manner. So for that we need a text. So let's press T on our keyboard, and we are taking the font size that is of 237. You can just play along with it, and let's name it the Tech Viper. Perfect. Let's duplicate this one. And by selecting both, put it inside an auto frame layout. Perfect. You can see I am giving here a spacing, that is the spacing. I'll just give it to 100. Perfect. Now let's simply duplicate this one, this frame. But before duplicating it, let's put it inside an auto frame layout. Let's select frame selection. And let's select the size of this frame. Bring it over here. Select it again. Perfect. Now let's duplicate it. By clicking on it, single click. By holding shift now, I will just drag it like that. It should match with this one. If it's not matching properly, you can just do one thing. Go over here, search for show ruler, click on it, just bring it like that, zoom it over, and then zoom it over, holding shift, place it like that. Perfect. Now can remove trimmer. Now select this one, click on clip content, select this one, click on clip content, selecting both, go over here, create component set. Perfect. Now select this one, go to prototype and connect to this one. After delay, change it to 1 millisecond. From instant, change it to smart animate. It should be linear and the duration is 10,000 millisecond. Perfect. Let's select this one and connect to this one. After delay, 1 millisecond. Change it to instant, and that's it. Now let's go to assets. Let's drag and drop it over here. Align it like that. You can just decrease the size if you want, but no need, let it be like that, no issue. Now if we play on prototype, see something like this popped over. So it will be auto scrolling, and that's infinity. So I hope you like this video. It was a short tutorial, and if you love this video, please do subscribe. As I told, I need you guys support a lot. So till then, take care. I will see you in the next video.